Now it is.
How do you know?
Because I felt it.
You felt it do something?
Yeah, I felt it like buzz.
You sure it's playing?
Yes. Well, it's actually recording.
Oh,
Not
it's recording?
playing.
Or I thought we were playing a video today. Welcome to audio file. Audiophile? That's a thing, right?
I don't know.
I'm not an audiophile, but I do enjoy listening to good tunes, especially when you're out on the trail. Like, it's actually pretty fun. I kind of thought it was cheesy, like, hey, let's go out and enjoy the wild and be part of nature. But having tunes, especially with kids in the back, is better.
A good thing.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
just funner. So
Helps keep everyone entertained.
yeah, it seriously does. It's fun. It just makes it a good time. That's what we're all trying to do, right? Just have a good time. So we've got a kit. It's a brand new kit from MTX Audio for the RZR 1000s. It is backwards compatible from today's models all the way to the 2014 models. It includes the different harnesses and brackets that you might need. So it works with all the RZR 1000 models.
Including the Turbo S.
Including the Turbo S.
Which is what we have behind us.
It is. This was our SEMA build for last year, for 2019 SEMA.
Yep.
So this kit includes, it's got a 600 watt sub and then 400 watts for the speakers, and it's got 4 speakers that come with it. And it's all, it's very much plug and play kind of stuff. The sub itself has it can be run ported or sealed, which I had to learn is a new thing. Apparently ported sounds a little better for certain kinds of musics, but sealed, you can just plug a cap on it and you can run through deep water crossings and you're totally fine. It won't damage the system at all. The fish can enjoy the music.
The lower speakers that go in the front are a nice like sealed pod that you just install on a bracket, so those are all safe as well for water crossings.
Yep, and you don't have to disassemble them or anything to install them in your car, so there's no chance of the seals getting messed up. They also have full RGB lighting in the speakers, so if you're doing the night rides at the dunes, whatever, like it lights up and thumps with the music. It's pretty cool. Works with the ride command or without the ride command. It's a plug and play system if you happen to have ride command in your RZR, and it integrates really nicely with it. But if you don't have ride command, there's auxiliary inputs and Bluetooth and AM/FM stuff if you're still listening to AM/FM radio. But it sounds amazing. So let's start it up here and hear what it sounds like, shall we?
Yes, absolutely.
Get out of the way. So one more thing, we just did a sound clip. The car sounds amazing Even from like, you know, a few feet away from the
20
car,
feet away.
it sounds super good. One of the things that we like about this system versus just doing a sound bar and some speaker pods is that you can tell the whole system is engineered to not just install really easily in the car, but to work well with all the speaker locations and the way they've designed it and engineered it as a plug and play unit. It works really, really well. So you can hear the sound clearly without having to crank it to the moon while you're driving down the road or on the trails or whatever. Because these cars, they're pretty loud as is with all the engine noise and the wind noise. So it's nice to have a music system that's designed for all the passengers and the driver to be able to hear in the car, again, without blowing your eardrums out.
For sure.
One of our favorite things about this. There's also I forgot to mention, there's a bass knob, an adjustable bass knob, brain fart, that you can remote mount anywhere in the car that you need. So you can really fine tune your bass experience on how much bass you want or don't want. MTX.com has more information on the system. It's a brand new system. It should be shipping, if not now, soon. We love MTX. The sound quality is top tier, best of the best kind of stuff. So check them out. Let us know what you guys think.